Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Floppotron 3.0, a truly remarkable musical instrument built from repurposed computer hardware. It's incredible.
Wow, 512 floppy disk drives? That's insane. I'm already intrigued. What's the core concept behind this thing?
Essentially, it uses the sounds of moving parts in old computer hardware, floppy disk drives, scanners, hard drives, to create music. Each device's motor or moving head generates a unique sound, and these are controlled precisely to play notes and rhythms. It's a symphony of clicks and whirs.
So it's like a giant, custom-built synthesizer? But instead of oscillators, it uses stepper motors and spinning disks? That's brilliant.
Exactly. The sounds are controlled via MIDI, just like a regular synthesizer. A custom gateway converts MIDI data into a protocol understood by the individual controllers for each instrument. It's a marvel of engineering.
I see. The article mentions a custom RS-485 network. Why not stick with MIDI directly? Wouldn't that be simpler?
That's a great question. Using RS-485 allows for a more scalable and robust system. MIDI's limited baud rate and daisy chain topology would be a bottleneck with this many devices. RS-485 provides a star topology, making expansion much easier. Plus, it allows for additional features like checksums for error detection.
Got it. So each instrument type has its own unique challenges. The floppy drives, for example, seem particularly complex.
Absolutely. Driving 512 floppy drives is no small feat. They're controlled in groups using custom daisy-chained adapter boards and clever programming tricks to manage the timing and signal generation. The creator even used the Nordic nRF52's PPI peripheral to offload some of the work from the CPU. Ingenious!
And what about the power consumption? With that many drives, it must be a beast.
Oh, it is! The Floppotron 3.0 draws up to 1.15 kilowatts at peak power. To handle this, the creator uses an array of 16 modular 5 volts 18A power supplies. Each module has its own overtemperature and short-circuit protection. Smart design.
The article mentions some quick and dirty solutions. What kind of compromises were made?
Well, for instance, the cabling for the floppy drives was a bit of a headache. The creator initially considered custom-made cables, but opted for a faster, cheaper solution using readily available rainbow cables, modifying them by hand. It's a testament to resourcefulness.
Amazing! So what's next for the Floppotron?
The creator plans to make videos showcasing the instrument's capabilities, fix some minor software bugs, and add features like end stops for the scanners. There are also plans for new instruments, such as a dot matrix printer. The possibilities are endless.
This is truly inspiring. It's a fantastic example of creative engineering and a love for repurposing technology. Thanks for sharing this.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the incredible world of the Floppotron 3.0. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.